Hello my friends. Today I'm doing a flip cup on this 16 by 20 inch deep canvas. I have a commission piece and we want cells, so I'm doing flip cup to get the kind of look we want, large-ish cells, and the colors are kind of arboreal colors, so a lot of greens, blues, golds, that type of thing. And the paints I'm using are no longer made. I'm using DecoArt premium paints. I have a lot of them, but they don't make them anymore, so I won't tell you exactly what colors because I don't want to disappoint you. And besides, I made some custom pieces, colors rather. But what I did was mix them with this pouring medium by Apple Barrel, which you can very easily get. And I will provide the recipe down below. They're just tube paints, so any tube paints, you can mix them this same ratio, and you should be able to get similar results. So, before I get to that, let me quickly show you my latest painting. Some of you like to see what I'm up to apart from fluid art. And I did this still life in oils. It's not dry yet, but I bought this gorgeous pewter pitcher on eBay. And I attempted to paint it. It was very detailed. I just kind of indicated the pattern rather than try to copy it completely. I had this sweet little tablecloth with the cutout parts and a couple of fresh tomatoes. And I put them together for this simple still life, and I'm pretty pleased with it. So that's that. So, thinking the painting is going to be in this horizontal orientation, so I'm thinking I'll do 2 flip cups going this way. That way if I get lines of any kind, it won't interfere with the orientation of the final picture. But I'm going to be doing a dirty cup, which means I'm going to be pouring and mixing colors, one color into the next, not really layering. So here we go. I did add silicone to all the colors, about 1 drop of silicone per ounce of mix. 100% pure silicone. I got this little bottle on eBay. There's not even a brand name. Treadmill Belt Lubricant. I got it years ago. It lasts forever. A little goes a long way, but I find 1 drop per ounce is usually a pretty good ratio. All right, so here we go. Whoa! I didn't mean to do that. It's such a big cup. It's a little tricky. That's too bad. Okay. Again, I'll put the ratios down below. It was approximately 2 to 1, pouring medium to paint and water to thin. So, I think I'm going to hit it with a torch first before I tilt, because I want the cells to be on the large size. And they grow by the tilting. I stirred it in really well. Stirred the silicone in really well, and here we go. Let's bring up some cells. I found this Apple Barrel pouring medium is very, very reactive. I mixed enough paint though. That's my only concern for this size canvas. Let's let that sit for a minute. The colors are good. Colors are what I want. I have a radical idea if I don't care for the way this looks, and we'll see if I need to employ it or not, but here we go. Let's move this around. See how those cells are growing nicely. I'm going to hit it with a torch again now that I've thinned out the paint on the surface. Get some more cells, hopefully. My torch is about dead. I just loaded it up with juice too. It's just they just wear out, you know, they need to be replaced. And this one is just about kaput. All right, I think that's all I'm going to get out of that one. I wish I didn't have that line right there. But as I said, this is a background for something, so what I paint on that could cover it up, or maybe I'll tilt it right off. Or maybe it will change up so much that it will work out and help the composition. See a chunk of something there. Let's get that out. Oh, darn my tweezers have disappeared again. Oh well, where is this? Here we go. Big lump of something there. Anything else? I don't think so. Okay, now I've got a big diagonal that I would like to get rid of, I think. Or not. I don't know. That gold is a little too much there. I'm going to run that off. Some of it. I don't know which will be the top and which will be the bottom. All right. think I like that. Try the torch one more time. Now, I'll load it up and try it again after I stop filming, just to see if I can't bring up some more little cells on there. But I think it's kind of pretty. Looks like there's something right in the middle there, though. Maybe not. Okay, let's bring you in for a closer look. Nice variety of cell shapes and sizes. This is not my normal recipe for flip cup cells, but I had this pouring medium. I knew it was reactive, so I thought I'd give it a try. But if you check my playlist, you'll see all sorts of other flip cup videos and various recipes. Yeah, I think this is going to work. I'll show it to my client, see if she is happy enough for me to proceed. And I'll show you the finished piece when it's completed. Thank you for watching, my friends. See you next time. Okay, my friends, part 2. I think I mentioned that if I wasn't satisfied with it, I was thinking of doing something, I don't remember what I said, radical, daring, and I'm going to, because I think it's pretty, but it's not appropriate for the painting I have in mind. So I'm going to dip it. I have another canvas here, just this experiment I did a while back. I'm going to dip it and see what it looks like. So here we go. Try to put it on here. This is a same size canvas. Get it on there as good as I can. Smush it down. I hope I don't regret this, because it's a lot of paint. Okay, there we go. I'm gonna lift it this way. Fingers crossed we get something attractive. And here we go. Okay. I think I like that. I hope my client does. I went and bought a new torch between finishing up and that, so let's hit it and get some more little cells in there. I think I like it. I think I like it better. It's more, it looks more like trees and leaves, which is what I wanted. It's going to be a big cat, and it'll pretty much be in this area, I think. Yeah. I wish this went to the edge. I wonder if I can tilt it. Do I dare? Yes, I do. I'll just try a littlest bit and see if I see it moving. No, it's not. It's not moving. Well, that can be fixed with a paintbrush. When it's dry, I can extend these little fingers to the edges there. Now I actually have two paintings. The other one's kind of pretty too. But anyway, this was the working piece, and I gotta say, I think I like it. Fingers crossed. My client does too. If not, though, I'll be back to the drawing board because I want her happy. Looks like a bunch of chicken feet there. Anyway, I could do something with this if she's not pleased with it, but we shall see. Time will tell. And if I need to redo it, I'll use a different cell recipe instead of that apple barrel. Okay, my friends, thanks for watching. See you next time.